There are many teachings and sessions and workshops about the intangible gifts that we give our children. Gifts like unconditional love, accepting them for who they are, seeing them as more than just their faults, looking into their hearts, giving them the gift of forgiveness. All of those intangibles, we hear about them. But what I want to focus on in this particular session are some tangible gifts. What are some things that we can do, that we can see the result of, that we can make a little list even if we want to, and check it off and say, yep, we got that one covered. That's what we're going to focus on in this particular session. And all of the gifts, we're going to talk about 5 gifts in particular. And they're going to focus around the word teach. Because teaching the child is not just stuffing facts into his or her head, right? Teaching the child is educating the whole person. And these gifts, if we do them intentionally, they will help educate the whole person. So, each of the 5 gifts are going to start with one letter of the word teach. E stands for enjoyable pastimes. You know, sometimes when we think about pastimes or how we spend our time, our leisure time, it's easy to think, okay, a child, avoid this, watch out for that, don't do this, be careful of that. And it's so easy to come up with so many lists of what they can't do that there's this big void in their lives. And they feel like they're missing out. They don't have anything good to do. So let's give them good things to do. We can give them good art to look at. We can show them the beautiful artwork and talk about it. And let them close their eyes and try and picture it and then describe it to you so that it will hang in the art gallery of their minds. You can give them good music, listening to good music, and taking music lessons if they are so inclined and if you are so inclined. Give them good music to listen to. Doing these things, the good art and the good music, is going to cultivate their tastes for what is good. Just as you did not raise your child, I hope, on junk food, you cultivated his tastes for good, healthful food, because that's what you gave him. If a child is constantly given junk food, that's what they crave. That's what they are drawn toward. And yet, if your child is given healthful food regularly, that is what they are drawn toward. And it's the same with art and music. We need to cultivate their tastes with what is good and pure and noble and excellent and worthy of praise.